Hello, friends. I believe that you all are in the best of your spirit. Today, I am going to discuss with you Bankim's Raj Mohan's Wife novel in a very easy language. So, we shall begin now. Firstly, we will discuss some important points related to Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. He was the first Indian who wrote first English novel that was Raj Mohan's Wife. He was born on 27th June 1838 in Bengal and he died on 8th of April 1894 in Kolkata. His main occupation was writer, poet, novelist, essayist and politician. And some of his famous works were Durgesh Nandini and Indra composed Vande Mataram. So now we shall move to Raj Mohan's five characters. First character was Mantangani. She was a protagonist and full story revolves around her. Second character is Raj Mohan, who was the husband of Mantangani. Mathur, he was the negative character of the novel, and Mantangani's sister name was Hemangani. Hemangani's husband was Madhav and Tara was Mathur's wife who was the negative character. We will discuss one by one about these characters. Our first and main character is Mantangani. She is a beautiful lady, strong character. She signifies modern India. She is not only Raj Mohan's wife, she shows modern India's personification. She was optimistic and had sorrow, anxiety, and she has no freedom as she is controlled by her husband who was worthless. She took her decisions logically and practically without any fear in this novel. She always wears a white sari and had long hair, bold and spirited lady. Second character is Raj Mohan, who was Mantangani's husband. He was not a very good character. He was a cruel and unhappy husband of Matangani. They don't have any sexual relationship. He didn't treated his wife with dignity. He always wanted to oppress her. He was a selfish man. He had immoral values and he always abused his wife. He had a bad personality and betrayed his benefactor. Our third character is Mathur, who is the villain of the novel, and he had two wives named Tara and Champa. His personality was cruel and vulgar. He was tall, fatty, dark, and always wear gold chains and rings, and was a corrupted person. He also tried to capture Madhav's property. He also kidnapped Mantangani and wanted to have sexual relationship with her and also tried for it. Hemangani, who is the sister of Mantangani, she loves her sister a lot. She is opposite to her sister. She is shy, social molded. She even hesitates when she is talking to her husband. Fifth character is novel's hero, that is Madhav. He is around 22 years of age, dark complexion, handsome young man. He was opposite to Mathur, who is the villain, and lives in Calcutta. Has taken English education and is progressive zamindar. He was really a helpful person and gave jobs to Raj Mohan and even house also. Tara is the sixth character who was friend of Mantangani and wife of Mathur. She releases Mantangani from her husband Mathur. Now we shall come to the story. It is the story about two sisters, Matangani and Hemangani. The story revolves around the life of Matangani, who is the protagonist, and the wife of Raj Mohan. She transgresses the social norms of the society by expressing her love for her brother in law by running away from her husband to stand for what is right. In this sense, it brings liberation for the woman. Novel also shows the ills of the society through the domestic life of Matangani. She is married off in haste because of the poor financial condition of her father. Her husband is ruthless, beats her up for no cause, no reason, Madangani once overhears a plot by her husband Raj Mohan to steal an important document from Madhav, who is her brother-in-law, her sister's husband. She loves her sister dearly and Madhav in more ways than one, so she immediately sets out in the middle of the night through the forest to her sister's house to warn them and then thus saving them from the attack planned by her husband with his friends Bhikkhu and Sardar at that very moment. She is welcomed by a furious Raj Mohan as she returns home. He rushes forward to kill her, then she escapes from the house. She ends up taking shelter in Mathur Ghosh's house, which is nearer to Raj Mohan's house. Dramatically, she disappears when she is sent back to the husband on his request. Madhav is held captive by the person who eyes his property. The very next day, Raj Mohan came to Mathur house to take Matangni home. Mathur agreed to it and felt that it was a sin to keep a husband away from his wife. As Raj Mohan took his wife home, she later went missing. She was kidnapped by Mathur Ghosh, who wanted to make love to her and to have sex with her. She was rescued by Madhav and Tara. Mathur Ghosh hanged himself as he was ashamed of his deed. Matangni went to live in her father's home and thus got separated from Raj Mohan. Here novel comes to an end. Raj Mohan and Bhikkhu were arrested and Matangni dies soon. This is the end of the video and I believe that you all have easily understood the story. Please like, comment and share the video with your family and friends. Do subscribe the channel and thank you and have a nice day.